All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about loop sets. So loop items, you can loop through the set items by using a for loop. So let's jump into our notebook and take a look at that. All right, so we're inside of our notebook. And so let's talk about how to loop sets, okay? So you can loop through the set items by using a for loop, okay? So an example of this would be if I go here and I type in our set. In fact, I'm going to copy and paste our set here. So I'm going to highlight that, right click, and then copy. And then I'm going to paste it here. And if I do for x in our set with a colon, and then we do print x, what are we going to get? We're going to get Google, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay. Now remember, it's an unordered list, so you're going to get it in variations. Okay. So that's really how you loop sets. It's very simple and straightforward and very short and sweet. So thanks for watching.